Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help fix WASD keys not working in Roblox. First, ensure your keyboard is properly connected and functioning. Try restarting the Roblox application and your entire computer. Sometimes, a simple reboot resolves many temporary glitches. Also, test if your WASD keys work in other applications like a word processor or web browser to determine if the issue is specific to Roblox or a broader keyboard problem. This initial check helps narrow down the cause quickly. Next, let's dive into Roblox-specific settings. Make sure your in-game camera mode is set to keyboard play or classic in the game settings, as other modes might disable WASD movement. You can also try resetting your Roblox keybinds to their default settings, which can resolve accidental reconfigurations. Additionally, check for any conflicting third-party software or overlays running in the background, as these can sometimes interfere with game input. Disabling them temporarily might reveal the culprit. Moving on, driver issues can often be the root cause. Update your keyboard drivers to the latest version through your device manager or the manufacturer's website. Also, consider if you've recently installed any new software that might be interfering. Disabling or uninstalling it could resolve the conflict. For persistent problems, try running Roblox in compatibility mode for an older version of Windows, which can sometimes bypass system-level conflicts. These steps address potential software and driver-related hurdles. Finally, for more advanced troubleshooting, a complete reinstallation of Roblox can often clear up corrupted files or settings. Before reinstalling, ensure you back up any important local files. You might also want to check for system file corruption using Windows built-in tools like the System File Checker. If all else fails, gather detailed information about your issue, including any error messages, and contact Roblox support. Providing comprehensive details will help them assist you more effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.